Hello and welcome to this EPS Inspires update. I'm Craig Birnbach. And about 10 years ago, very few people had even seen one of these. But now, drones seem to be everywhere. And that means drone-related jobs are being created every day. That's why students at Union High School quickly signed up for the newly created drone class. Well, that, and because flying drones is a whole lot of fun. At first glance, someone might wonder if these Union High School students were breaking some kind of school rule, flying drones in the commons.
Oh, it's so fun.
But no, this isn't rogue behavior. This is Mr. Schmear's second period class.
Roles for today. Some of you will be flying the Mavic outside. Some of you are repairing.
For the first time, Union High School is offering a drone class, and recruiting students wasn't a problem.
The counselor said, well, we have a drones class that's coming. I was like, you have a drones class? I was like the flying drones. She was like, yes, flying drones. I was like, and you do that for a whole class? She was like, yes. I was like, sign me up.
And students haven't been disappointed because in drone class, you get out of the classroom a lot.
Basically, as soon as we got the drones, we started flying. So it wasn't just sit and learn about them. It was, okay, here's a drone, figure out how to take off and land. Don't hit anyone, stay 6 feet away, and go for it.
And while they're going for it, they're learning. Maybe even more than they think.
They came in thinking they're gonna get one thing and they're getting more. We also goof off and we have fun with drones because as they're doing that, what they don't know is they're getting better at flying and control.
And students aren't just learning to fly a drone for fun. This class opens up their eyes to how these skills can lead to a job.
I didn't know that there was good pay for them and different jobs for drones, for drone pilots.
The dream is some of them will continue on and being a commercial drone pilot. Some of them might just go on to computer programming. So through this, some of them are getting the bug. They're like, ooh, I want to program this thing. Some are mechanically minded, and so it's a chance for them to think about electrical engineering.
While students might be thinking about different futures, in the present, they're all thinking they can't wait for second period.
It brings a different feel to it just to know that, oh, you get to go to this class and have fun and while learning new things about different drones.
Robotics is super cool to me, and flying's pretty dope too. Calling it good.
One last note, Aubrey is the only female in the drone class, and she says there's no good reason for that, and encourages other females to join her soon. For Evergreen Public Schools, I'm Craig Birnbach.